Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very different video than what I normally do here on my channel, but today I will be unboxing the Canon EOS Rebel T7i, which is the newest Canon DSLR. It came out sometime early this year, and I will also be unboxing the Rode mic that has been known to always go on top of Canon cameras to get some better quality sound. So that's what I will be doing in this video today. If you like this kind of video and you want me to do more unboxings, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below as well. And if you have any questions or comments, you can always leave them in the comments, obviously, and I will respond to you guys. And I hope this video is informative to those of you who are looking to buy either of these products. So with all that said, let's get started. Okay, so first we will be unboxing the Canon EOS Rebel T7i, and I'm going to try and show you guys everything the best I can without the glare from the lights. It has some little facts about it down underneath the camera picture that you could read if you would like. That has built-in Wi-Fi, EOS movies in full HD. It has the flip screen and it's a touch screen as well. And the first thing here on top is its little manual. So it is pretty thick, but again, it has 3 different languages in it, so I'll be using this to get to know the camera. The next thing on top is, so you can get limited warranty on the camera, I believe, if you send this in to Canon, and it has all the information over here, so I will also be looking into that because who doesn't want warranty? The next thing on top is this little paper that says register now. Visit Canon to register your new camera, and you'll receive firmware and software updates, telephone support, priority email, and exclusive savings on select products. Okay, now we're gonna get into the actual box and camera and all that stuff, so let's open this up. And as you can see, everything is in bubble wrap, which is good. So I'm gonna pull out this. This, I believe, is the battery, and we're gonna have to charge this. So here is the battery, and yeah, it's just a standard Canon battery, and it has this little protector thing on it. So here's the battery. I'm gonna pull out this next. And this is the charger for the battery. And it has a little pull-out thing to plug into the wall, and you just slide the battery in. So we're gonna start getting that charging. So there's an arrow right here, and there's an arrow on the battery, so I'm guessing you just slide it in like that, and I'm gonna go plug it into the wall. Okay, let's pull out the next thing. And this is the 18 to 55 millimeter lens, and it comes with a cap. So here's the actual lens. It also has a cap for the back where it goes in, and you can see how it moves out and in for zoom. And then it has some stabilizers and autofocus. Yeah, that's what the lens looks like. The last thing on this side is just the Canon strap that comes with all DSLRs. So we're gonna open it up. And it's just your basic Canon strap. It says Canon EOS, and the inside you can kind of see it looks leathery. It's kind of a tackier material, so I guess it doesn't slip off your neck or anything. And then it has some adjusters on each end. So yeah. Now on to the main part, which is the camera. And here is the body of the camera. Give you a little bit of an overview. on the side here is where you can put your SD card in. Closes up and push it back up into place. And here is the back of the camera. And the T7i comes with the flip screen, so it flips out like this, but it also flips forward. So when I'm filming videos, I will be able to see myself, because that is so helpful when setting up shots and everything. So we're gonna turn that back. And also the great thing is, to protect the screen, it folds in, which is also very helpful. Here are all the buttons on the back. They're pretty standard buttons. You got menu and stuff. And as well as, here is the top view. You have where you can take pictures, iOS, there's a movie, you move, this turns. This is how you turn it on, and this is how you turn it to movie settings. And here are where the straps go onto the camera so you can carry it around. And for the most part, this feels pretty plasticky, except the sections over here, you can see the texture, a little more grip to it. And if we unscrew the cap to this, now it's how a camera looks when it doesn't have a lens. So I just attached the lens. You can see now kind of how big it is. I have smaller hands, so I mean, my hand in comparison, it's a pretty big camera. Pretty heavy too. I mean, it's not as light as, say, the camera that I'm using now, which is more like a vlog camera. But this will definitely take much better quality photos than what I am using currently. So here's what it looks like when it has the lens on, and you know, it's standard DSLR. I found out that this button, when you press it and you turn the lens, it removes the lens out. So that's how you take off a lens if you wanted to know. This is how big the camera is when the zoom is all the way out, with the 18 to 55 milliliter lens. So now let's open up the mic and see how it fits on top. So here is the mic. Ooh, we might need some scissors. I'm gonna open this up. Okay, so I took everything out of the package because it was being a pain in the butt. And we're just gonna open it up, and we're gonna try and put this onto the Canon T7i. So here is the mic. This part of it is plastic, this is foamy obviously, and this is where you plug it in to the mic and then into the camera. In comparison to size with the camera, here is the front view, the side view. So we're gonna get this set up. So it comes with some instructions on how to plug it in, and you know, it has pictures, and it shows you where to plug it into the camera and how to slide it onto the camera. So we're gonna try that right now. Let me move all of this to the back. From what the picture said, it said you just slide it in between these little things here, and then you take this black part right here and you turn it clockwise and it tightens on. This is obviously still going to be a bit wobbly, but not too bad. And then we need to put this into the other part of the camera, which is in this compartment right here, where we're gonna open it up and stick it in where it says mic. And now we have our mic attached to our camera. And this is another size comparison with it. Overall, the camera's pretty big, but it's going to take great quality photos. You're going to have some good quality sound with this mic attached to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you want me to do a more in-depth of where buttons are and where the battery goes in and all of that stuff, let me know down in the comments, because I could show you that. There are a bunch of little flappies like this that have like for USB, and the battery's on the bottom. But let me know if you want any more videos on this camera, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I hope this video was interesting and helped you a decision about if you want to get this camera or not. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!